everyone. I'm finally feeling well. Finally, nakapag-workout na rin tayo. Makakapagkape na rin tayo. Makakain na rin ako ng matamis. Back to our normal programming. So yeah. And also, I just want to thank the Lord, my mom, and myself. And also the medicines that I took. Grabe, dami ko rin nainom na gamot. Yung tipong, sobrang dami ko nainom, pati pang lasa ko. Kahit nalunok ko na yung gamot, napifeel ko pa rin siya, nalalasahan ko pa rin siya. Also, I'm wearing 3 layers of clothes. Para pagpawisan talaga. Pero parang hindi na ako masyado pinagpapawisan. I don't know. Ano pa ba? No, mukha akong itlog. Take care of yourself, everyone. And sa may mga sakit dyan, just take a rest. Drink your medicines. Take care of your health. Kain yan. Kahit mag-isa kayo. Fighting. So I'm breaking out, yan, as you can see. And I don't know why. It's so annoying. Yan na naman tayo sa acne and pimples na tumutubo sa akin. Sa mukha ko. Ay, nakakainis. It's stressful. I don't know why I'm here. Kumain din kasi ako ng chocolate. And ayoko siya mapunta sa kama ko. And I'm just watching Chinity. Ate Chinity. Wow. Ate. I'm still thinking if I should curl my hair. Kasi wala namang ganap. And wala rin ako ma-vlog. So gagawa ko ng ganap para meron ako ma-vlog. And also, I want to buy a book. Yung The Alchemist and then yung Ikigai. Recommended by the vloggers I'm watching. And nakita ko rin siya sa TikTok. At tsaka na. Madali na yun pag may pera na. Ano na lang muna ako sa mga available online. Ano bang update? Wala naman. Nat lang tayo. Ling naman na tayo. Tayo? Ako? May kasamang nilagnat. Wala na yun lang.
I'm not gonna be as shy. That's 13 a.m. I have a lot of time. I'm ready for my end of foundation exam, which is also on the 27th tomorrow. That's real question. Is it weird if I wear or believe the body? I'm not yet confident with my body. Don't do that.
Isa rin sa mga pinsala.
그러지.
한강라면 노래하던 이유가 있어?
그래서 어떤 걸 드려? 그냥 말해.
Ang bilis ka. Daya.
Feet check. Shug, I like na ere. Ngayon lang ako nag-intro kasi yung una kong clip, tapos ko magkasakit or yung gumaling na ako. Kakagaling ko lang pala, wala pala akong intro nun. Ano pa bang mga nagawa ko? Odd lang ako ng K-drama. Usual routine. And I also want to document that. Tapos, gusto ko, mahilig din kasi ako dun sa mga sometimes sa mga K-drama na real life situation na everyday, diba, na ginagawa nila, like Liberation Notes, tapos yung may Mister, yung mga ganong vibe, and then yung Our Written Soul, maganda din yun. Thank you so much sa mga director and writer na gumagawa nun, and since dun sa mga amazing actresses and actors na napapadama nila sa atin kung ano yung feeling yung gusto nilang ibigay na emosyon, nararamdaman din natin. I love that. Minsan kasi nanonood ako ng K-drama tapos parang na-observe ko lang kung paano sila umacting on o kaya naman kung paano nila gustong ibigay at iparamdam yung emosyon sa mga nanonood. I don't know. Siguro kasi diba gusto ko rin mag-artista tapos yun, parang pinag-aaralan ko yun kung paano nila ginagawa. While I'm watching, parang ano na rin yan. Nararamdaman ko na nakakapag-aral pa ako. Parang kasing, basta, it just resonates with me. Pagka ganun yung mga labas na katulad ng K-drama. Tulips yun, nilagay ko lang parang hindi sobrang, ano dito, bare. And by the way, yan pa. Ang mga breakouts. Tapos, ano wala ako? Wait lang. I need to calm down. So, nabasa ko na yung number 1 girl ni Jonax. It was so worth it to wait until na matapos yung hanggang chapter 50. Pero grabe, muntik na ako mapasigaw nung nag-notif yung may epilogue na ngayon. After this vlog, I'm gonna read that. Kinikilig ako. Na alam mo yung minsan pagka natutulala ka lang tapos biglang papasok sa'yo yung nabasa mo, napapangiti ka na lang. Feels so good. So yeah, kaya okay na rin yung mga nababasa lang natin, okay na ako dun. Thank you so much for that, Miss John May. I really love your works. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, your creative mind, your everything in the book, and for sharing it to us, your readers. And thank you so much for making it as a novel, yung number 1 girl, kasi di ba nabasa ko rin yung ano niya. Ano pang tawag sa ganun? Yung parang note doon sa chapter 50. Grabe, sobrang galing niya. Like, minsan napapaisip na lang din ako na kaya ko ba to? Well, natry ko na gumawa ng story sa Wattpad. Ilang chapters lang yan. Pero, na-delete ko na ata. And nakalimutan ko na yung dati kong Wattpad account. Yahoo pa yon. Like, ang sakit sa heart kasi 2011 ko pa yun na gawa. So, ayun. And, sana pagka gumawa siya, di ba, yung script na to be made as a movie or teleserye, sana makasama tayo. Pero grabe sigurong pressure yung gagawin ko sa sarili ko kasi as a reader, di ba, gusto natin na parang yung pinaparamdam ng script nararamdaman din ng nanonood kasi ganoon naman talaga. Like, tingin ko din sa mga actress na they're like a canvas na pagka may pininta sa'yo, dapat yung naipinta dun sa canvas na yun, yung magiging role mo, dapat ipaparamdam mo sa tao pag nakita nila yung painting na yun. Kung ano yung gustong iparamdam ng character na yun. Na gusto mo, diba, syempre, yung mga taong makarelate at maging interesado sa'yo. So yeah, I love that. Sana talaga. Please, make me an actress. I know, kiniklaim ko lang siya ngayon. Pagbigyan niya na ako kasi dati laging nahihiya ako pagka yun yung gusto kong sabihin. Sinasabi ko pa pagka tinatanong ako, gusto ko maging flight attendant kasi diba tourism. Tapos, pero ang gusto ko talaga maging artista. I know why, basta yun lang, simula ng bata ako na yung tipong yun lang talaga yung magiging pangarap ko, na kung hindi doon ako mapupunta, hindi ko alam kung saan ako patungo. But it's just so hard. It's not that easy na parang yung path na ginawa ko dati bago mag-pandemic, okay na sana yan, nagtitaping na tayo, nag-extra na tayo. And you know, I don't know, na parang mas masaya pa ako doon kaysa doon sa dati kong naging work na mas mababa yung sahod doon, pero 24 hours ka doon. Like, 3 AM ako umalis dito sa bahay, tapos 3 AM ka din uuwi. As an extra, it's 700 pesos, ganun. Compare naman sa work mo na 9 hours, tapos 1K, ganun, per day. Pero, iba yung feeling talaga ng ginagawa mo. Pag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, na parang hindi siya work, na parang papasok ka lang kasi gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. Basta, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Dami ko na namang shinare, pero yun lang yung magpapahaba dito sa vlog na yun. Na to. If nandiyan ka pa, if nanonood ka pa, thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate you. May nakalimutan pa ba akong i-share? Pag meron pa, ipa-vlog ko na lang din siguro. Pero pag wala na, I just want to say thank you so much for listening and watching this vlog. I hope you enjoy kahit na puro intro lang yung napanood nyo. Tatry ko din pala. Try ko lang. Mag-share. Meron kasi akong sinulat sa notebook ko na parang may mga part dun na nakaka-relate ako. Hindi pong kinakausap niya ako. And grabe lang, yung palabas na yun. Parang yun yung may mga scene doon na parang gusto mong sabihin pero hindi mo masabi. Pero nailagay nila yun sa isang K-drama. Love it. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yun lang naman. I really need to work hard na. Pero pag may mga audition naman, nag-audition naman ako. Sana matapos na tong braces natin. Kasi diba, so far, parang pagka-artista ka kasi, parang wala silang braces. So, yan lang. Mapabasa na ako. I'm just excited to read the epilogue. Pero, kinda sad kasi matatapos na siya. This is for Jonax. Okay, so ito na pala siya. I-share ko na pala sa inyo. I'm not gonna explain it. Pero, yun, intindihin nyo na lang. This was October 7, 2025, 8:27 p.m. This is like, ano ba to? Yung mga lines sa Our Unwritten Soul. Si Park Bo yung ano dun. Oh, and by the way, yan din pala. Yung Daily Dose of Sunshine. Huwag nyo lang siya papanoorin if medyo yung tawag dito, mental health nyo. Parang mabilis siya maka-apekto. Ganun. So, yeah. Yesterday is over. Tomorrow is yet to come. Today is yet unknown. You only truly understand some things after getting them wrong. The promise of tomorrow is not born from hope, but from resolve. Love is about losing and coming back 100 of times, not winning. Ito yung parang summarize, pero alam ko may sinulat ako ditong yung pinakabuo niya. Surviving is brave. So proud of you. For so long, I was harder on myself than anyone else, just for being me. Why do I end up attacking myself in the moments I most need to protect myself? I wasn't until I lived as someone else that I realized my worst enemy was myself. Now that I know what I got wrong, maybe someday I'll get it right. Thinking about the past only brings regret, and thinking about the future only brings anxiety. So live at the moment. I know you know what I mean. Sabi ko na rin yung last vlog na may ibang meaning yung mga bagay sa ibang tao. And may mga meaning din yun na para sa akin. My own opinion. I spent days in silence, keeping to myself so no one would see how vulnerable I was. You need to be able to take care of yourself before dating or getting married. Relying on a man just because your future looks uncertain is one of the quickest ways to ruin your life. Let's grab onto any happiness, goodness, or joy we can find. Like yung mga little things sa buhay natin. Please appreciate it. Things might seem scary, but once you dive in, they're not all that. Don't overthink. You're hiding to survive too. No matter how pathetic or messy it looks, anything you do to survive is brave. You have to be love to know how to love. Things don't always feel right in the beginning. Being unemployed is a fight against your own mind and the clock. 99% of those thoughts are useless. Life is like a poetry. From a distance, it looks like an indecipherable code. Indecipherable or indecipherable. But if you look closely with the heart, willing to understand, only then will you see the meaning within. There is peace if you're honest. It is acceptable to make mistakes. More pertinent is to release the mask that we put on to impress other people. This is from kwavesandbeyond.com. Love isn't about winning or losing. Ito na yan. It's about remaining on the same team until the very end. Even if you lose, love is about staying together. Even if you lose 100 or 1,000 times. Like, mas magigets nyo to if panoorin nyo yung K-drama na Our Unwritten Soul. I love it. Grabe. It's heartfelt, alam mo yan. Parang almost lahat ata na nandun parang na-feel ko. But yeah, I'm not gonna expound that. Thank you so much again for listening. That will be the end of my entry for chapter 5. For chapter 5. Wow, sipag ko na mag-vlog. Well, I'm trying to be consistent. I will also try to upload sa TikTok. Nag-iisip ako ng content na ipopost doon. It's so hard to think kung ano yung gusto mong i-post. O kung ano yung mga pwede mong ma-post. But, yeah. Oh, by the way, and also please keep safe. Always take care of yourself. Be grateful every day. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless. Have a good day or night. Bye.